Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today again charcuterie, but it's really not very common do this because I'm going to cure the beef heart and it's absolutely delicious. Not everybody can like it, but if you like curing stuff, you have to try this. It's absolutely al bacio. I show you what we need. Of course, this is half heart. 1/2 kilo beef heart already trimmed, clean. Ask your butcher and try to get rid. You know, here I do this some score because there is the vein and the blood inside. Try to get rid of all the blood. Okay. We need some marinate some garlic in vinegar. This is red vinegar. I can use white, apple vinegar. You can use any vinegar you want, but this from wine is a little bit better. 4 grams of sweet paprika, 3 grams of garlic powder, 28 grams per kilo of salt, sea salt. This is 1/2 kilo. I put 42 grams, and 7.5 grams of black pepper. We're gonna cure it and we're gonna leave in the fridge maximum 2 days, 2.5 days, because I don't want it to be too salty. First, a little bit of vinegar with garlic. Okay, just wash like that. It's done. Okay, take a bowl and mix all your spice. If you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Okay guys, when you do that, mix, start curing, okay? Massage everywhere, take your time, inside here, other side. Massage, try to cover all surface. Later in these 2 days, we're gonna put in the fridge this. Going there, massage, and if they need a little bit more salt, can you see some part is free, just put it, okay? Just like that, like I'm doing now, okay? Now I think I'm gonna add a little bit more salt there. Take a tray like this. I'm gonna add here some more salt like this. Yeah. Yeah, it's done. And tomorrow, guys, go there, massage, and now we're gonna leave this in the fridge for 2.5 days, okay? Find the space and after this, I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay, guys, this is my beef heart after 2.5 days. I want to show you. Still very nice, you know. Look how much liquid came out from here. Look, okay. From this side as well, it's perfect, you know. Now, what we're gonna do now is a little bit different than the usually muscles I do. I'm gonna hang it like this and go straight away in the fridge. Find a way where you're gonna put it, and this at least gonna be 3 months. Okay, that's what we're gonna do now. Even if you notice, I didn't wash it, I didn't touch nothing, just go straight away inside the fridge, okay? And I want to introduce you. This is Rocco, our little boy, okay? Anyway, see you in around 3 months, and I'll let you know. Guys, my heart, beef heart, is ready. Look at that. It's absolutely amazing. 3.5 months I left this. It's quite still a little bit soft, but not too. This as well is nice, you know. the part where it's more dry hard is nice if you just grate on the bread with some olive oil. It's absolutely. Now what we're gonna do, guys, that is the proof. We cut and we see. I tell you, this is not really common. Look at that. Oh, look there, guys. Huh? Wow, the smell. Oh, wow. It's very nice, guys. Wow. We're gonna try it. Cut thin. Guys, wow. Try on bread. Look there, guys, it's unbelievable. It's another masterpiece. Wow. Well done, Piero. This is amazing. Guys, my cured beef fart is this. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.